From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, welcome to Iowa Live on a Friday. Everybody getting all ready for the weekend. We just heard from Brandon Lawrence. Looks like over the next week or two, things are going to heat up just a little bit, going to ramp up weather-wise. Well, maybe you need a little assistance ramping things up in the bedroom. Well, we have just the guy to talk to. Andrew Rinehart is joining us from Valley View Medical Clinic. Hello, Andrew. How are you?
Hello, Lou. How you doing today?
We're doing great, but we are here to talk about how we can help gentlemen in case they're having some issues, so to speak, when it comes time with their loved one.
Well, we certainly can help in that department. Now, we're talking about ED, or erectile dysfunction. When men think of erectile dysfunction, I think they instantly go to the pill, which instantly goes to a headache and no spontaneity. I believe those days are over. Valley View Medical Clinic uses the most advanced form of a technology. It's called wave therapy, and here's what it's clinically proven to do. Deliver pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, which causes the blood vessels to open up and expand. And as you can imagine, that does great things to life in the bedroom, more blood flow, more circulation, and we can now get rid of the ED without the use of pills.
Now, Andrew, you're a medical technician, and I want to go back and address something you just mentioned. You talked about the pill, and you get a headache right away. Why is that the case when people take the pill? Is it because your blood pressure goes up, or what's the situation there? Why does that happen? Do you have any idea?
Well, yeah, what happens when you take the pill is it dilates the blood vessels, or can. That's the idea. The problem is it's not targeted, so your entire body can get a rush of blood flow. So you end up with a headache, bloodshot eyes, dizziness, and a lot of guys don't get the result they're looking for and get nothing but the side effects.
Yeah, so like you mentioned, it's not targeted at all. You probably get sweaty and things like that as well. That's not very attractive at all. But we're talking about something that you can do that will target the area that you're having a situation with.
Yes, that's exactly right. This technology is placed on the skin. It's a 10-minute session. Pressure waves, which you don't really feel, by the way, go into the blood vessels, and those blood vessels widen. One of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction is damaged blood vessels. So it's a physical problem. It needs a physical solution.
And it should be nothing you should be embarrassed about because a wide range of ages are affected by this.
Certainly. Don't feel too young and don't feel too old. Don't feel too unhealthy. We have treated men from age 20 to age 90 with just about every kind of health condition. Keep in mind, even Cambridge University has studied this and showed it to be safe and effective.
Now, how long before things start changing? If you go in, we're going to talk about getting an assessment here and a blood flow analysis and things like that. But how long before you can see a change?
Every patient's a little bit different, but that Cambridge study that I mentioned says the average man needs a few treatments over 2 weeks, a very short window, and that the results are long lasting. I will say this, a lot of guys notice results starting with the first treatment, and it gets better progressively from there.
And how long are the treatments? How much of the day do people need to block off in order to have like a session?
Well, you'll probably be in the car longer than you'll be in the clinic. It's a 10 or 15-minute treatment. There's no recovery time either. So coming on your lunch break, you'll walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal.
And Valley View Medical Clinic is open 6 days a week for your convenience over in Pleasant Hill, right off the bypass on University. It's a block off the bypass. You're not going to miss it. So it's really quick to get there from no matter where you are in the area. But you have a very special offer right now for people that are watching.
We certainly do. ED, it doesn't go away on its own. If you're ready to regain your love life, grab your phone, call us now. Exam, assessment, even the ultrasound will be free. And this gift, frankly, this is worth the trip alone. Produces powerful results in the bedroom, worth hundreds of dollars. Call us now. It's all no charge.
All of it is no charge. You see the number on the bottom of your screen there, 515-300-5555. 515 area code, of course, and then 300-5555. So people call in today. How soon can they expect to be able to get in, Andrew?
Well, you mentioned we're open 6 days a week. There may be a couple openings left tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
If not, we can get you in as soon as next week.
All right. So it's a win-win for everyone over here at Valley View Medical Clinic in Pleasant Hill. Andrew, you take care of yourself, my friend, and we will talk to you next week.
Thanks, Lou. You too.